Toyota Tacoma has earned a reputation as one of the toughest mid-size pickup trucks ever built. For decades, owners praised it for reliability, resale value, and the ability to keep running well past 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. But when Toyota introduced the latest generation Tacoma, powered by the new 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, not everyone was convinced. While the engine delivered more power and better fuel efficiency than the outgoing V6, some owners questioned whether the smaller turbocharged engine could match the legendary durability of previous Tacoma tower trains. Now, according to Toyota technicians and the latest engineering updates, many of those concerns are being addressed. The 2027 Toyota Tacoma doesn't receive an entirely new engine, but it does benefit from a series of meaningful refinements aimed at improving reliability, cooling, software calibration, and long-term durability. Rather than redesigning the engine from scratch, Toyota has focused on eliminating the small issues that concerned early owners, while keeping the performance advantages of the turbocharged platform. So, has Toyota finally solved the turbo problem? Here's what has actually changed. Why the Turbo Tacoma raised questions. Replacing Toyota's naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 was always going to be controversial. The new 2.4-liter turbocharged engine offered obvious advantages on paper. Depending on trim level, the engine produces up to 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, while hybrid iForce Max versions deliver an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers comfortably outperform the previous V6 in nearly every measurable category. Drivers immediately notice stronger low-end torque, easier highway passing, improved towing performance, and smoother acceleration. However, turbocharged engines operate differently from naturally aspirated engines. Higher combustion pressures, increased operating temperatures, additional cooling requirements, and greater dependence on engine oil all mean that maintenance becomes even more important. Some early owners also reported concerns ranging from rough cold starts and occasional turbo lag to software calibration quirks and transmission behavior. While these issues were generally not widespread engine failures, they fueled online discussions questioning whether the turbo engine could match Toyota's long-standing reliability reputation. What Toyota engineers changed for 2027? Instead of introducing an entirely new power plant, Toyota engineers appear to have focused on continuous refinement. This is consistent with Toyota's engineering philosophy. Rather than making dramatic yearly redesigns, Toyota typically improves components gradually after collecting real-world customer data. For the 2027 Tacoma, technicians expect improvements in several key areas. Updated engine calibration. One of the biggest improvements involves revised engine software. Modern engines rely heavily on electronic controls for fuel delivery, turbo boost pressure, ignition timing, and transmission operation. Updated calibration helps produce smoother acceleration, more predictable throttle response, and improved drivability under varying conditions. Drivers may notice fewer abrupt shifts and more refined power delivery during everyday driving. Improved cooling management. Heat is one of the biggest challenges facing any turbocharged engine. Toyota has continued refining coolant flow, thermal management strategies, and fan operation to help maintain consistent operating temperatures under heavy towing, mountain driving, or hot weather conditions. Keeping temperatures stable not only improves performance, but also contributes to long-term engine durability. Better turbo control. Turbochargers rely on extremely precise control of boost pressure. Refined software allows the turbocharger to respond more smoothly while reducing unnecessary stress on internal components. The result is more consistent power delivery and improved engine responsiveness without sacrificing reliability. The oil system matters more than ever. Ask nearly any experienced Toyota technician what matters most for turbo longevity, and the answer is almost always the same: oil. Turbochargers spin at extremely high speeds, often exceeding 150,000 RPM, and depend entirely on a constant supply of clean engine oil for lubrication and cooling. Toyota continues recommending high-quality synthetic oil and timely oil changes, particularly for owners who tow regularly, drive in dusty conditions, or frequently make short trips. Many mechanics believe proper maintenance remains the single biggest factor determining how long a turbocharged Tacoma will last. The good news is that Toyota hasn't identified any fundamental design flaw requiring a complete engine redesign. Most reliability improvements come from refined software, updated service procedures, and ongoing manufacturing improvements. Transmission improvements complement the engine. Engine performance isn't only about horsepower. The Tacoma's 8-speed automatic transmission also plays an important role in how the truck feels on the road. Software updates improve shift timing, gear selection, and coordination between the engine and transmission. These refinements help reduce unnecessary gear hunting while making towing feel more confident and predictable. Owners may also notice smoother acceleration from a stop and improved response when merging onto highways. Hybrid models continue to impress. Toyota's iForce Max hybrid system remains one of the most powerful options in the midsize truck segment. Instead of replacing the turbo engine, the hybrid system enhances it by adding an electric motor integrated into the transmission. The combined output of 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque gives the Tacoma exceptional low-speed pulling power while maintaining respectable fuel efficiency. For buyers who tow frequently or spend time off-road, the hybrid provides stronger acceleration with less engine strain during demanding driving situations. Has the turbo reliability question been answered? Perhaps the biggest misconception surrounding modern turbocharged engines is that turbocharging automatically makes an engine unreliable. In reality, reliability depends on engineering quality, manufacturing precision, cooling systems, lubrication, maintenance, and software control. Toyota has decades of experience building turbocharged engines for global markets. The company's latest update suggests it has continued refining the Tacoma based on customer feedback rather than reacting to widespread mechanical failures. Most technicians agree that owners who follow recommended maintenance schedules, use the correct oil specification, allow the engine to reach operating temperature, and avoid shutting the engine down immediately after heavy towing, are likely to enjoy many years of dependable service. The bigger picture, the 2027 Tacoma represents evolution rather than revolution. Toyota didn't abandon its turbocharged strategy. It invested in improving the details that owners experience every day. Refined engine calibration, enhanced cooling strategies, smoother transmission programming, improved turbo management, and continued manufacturing improvements all contribute to a more polished truck. That's exactly how Toyota has maintained its reputation for reliability over the years, not through dramatic redesigns every few years, but through continuous engineering refinement. For buyers hoping Toyota would simply return to a naturally aspirated V6, the 2027 Tacoma probably won't change their minds. But for drivers willing to embrace modern turbo technology, the latest refinements show Toyota is committed to making the engine stronger, smoother, and more durable with every model year. Final verdict. The headline may sound dramatic, but the real story is even more interesting. Toyota hasn't fixed a fundamentally broken engine because there was never evidence of a universal turbo design defect. Instead, the company has done what it does best: study real-world owner feedback, analyze service data, refine manufacturing processes, and improve engine software and thermal management year after year. For 2027, the Tacoma's 2.4-liter turbo engine remains the heart of the lineup, now backed by incremental improvements that enhance drivability and reinforce long-term durability. Combined with Toyota's proven engineering philosophy and proper maintenance, these updates should give buyers greater confidence that the modern Tacoma can live up to the reliability legacy that made the nameplate famous in the first place.